Abduction. Place face down in round effect. During opponent's next turn, choose one card that is moved out of the neutral area with a draw card icon and place in Loyalist. So the way we would play this card is we'd place it face down during our turn. Then the opponent's turn would come up, and what we're looking for is this icon. So you're going to strategically place this card down when you think that they're going to move a draw icon card to their side of the board. So basically, the opponent would probably select this. They'd think, wow, I'm getting 19 points. Yes, I'm going to have to push these 8 points back that way, but it's still a good move. But as soon as you flip the card over, it basically says that I get to take a card that was moved with an icon to the Loyalist. So that's a huge swing. Now, had that not been on the board, I could have just moved that one up because it also had a draw icon, but I'll take the big points.
Thanks for watching the video. For more news and updates from the Master of Wheels team, just subscribe to us below.